The government of Bihar constituted a committee headed by Sri Saran Singh in 1976 to address the problem of stagnation etc. in Bihar civil service and to consider opportunities for promotion. Stop. The committee's recommendations with respect to the Bihar Education Department included the integration of 59 posts in the miscellaneous cadre comprising of teachers, professors, etc., who held isolated posts with no definite prospects of promotion into the Bihar Education Service cadre. Stop. In line with these recommendations, the government issued regulation dated 11/4/1977 upgrading 2465 sanctioned posts of teachers of subordinate education service male and female cadre into Bihar Education Service Class 2 with effect from 1/1/1977. Stop. Para. The association representing the teachers of the BSES filed a writ petition in the Patna High Court claiming merger of their cadre with the BES pursuant to the resolution dated 11/4/1977. Stop. The writ petition was allowed on 2/2/2000 and the subsequent LPA and SLP were dismissed. Stop. Since the consequential benefits of the merger were still not forthcoming, another writ petition was filed, which too was allowed and affirmed in the LPA. Stop. The civil appeal before this court was dismissed on 19/4/2006, deciding the outcome in favor of writ petitioners, that is, the members of the BSES. Stop. Para. In compliance of the aforesaid judgment of this court, a resolution dated 7/7/2006 was issued whereby the cadre of BSES teaching branch male and female teachers was merged with the BES Class 2 with effect from 1/1/1977. Stop. At this stage, members of the BES association apprehending adverse impact on their inter se seniority filed a writ petition challenging the merger. Stop. A single judge of the High Court allowed the writ petition on 31/10/2007. Stop. Immediately after this judgment, the state government, without waiting for the outcome of the LPA, in compliance of the single judge judgment, quashed the merger resolution by notification dated 19/11/2007, thereby withdrawing the financial benefits flowing therefrom. Stop. Para. The decision of the single judge was affirmed by the division bench. The resultant SLP and the appeal therefrom was ultimately allowed by this court in a detailed judgment dated 23/11/2012. Consequently, the initial government decision 7/7/2006, by which the cadre of the BSES teachers teaching branch was merged with the BS, stood restored and the state was directed to act accordingly. Stop. In arriving at the conclusion, the Supreme Court pertinently observed that the merger decision was already upheld by this court in earlier rounds of litigation and was also acted upon by the state. The High Court should not have reopened the matter at the instance of the BES association. Stop. The fluctuating stand and indecisiveness of the government was also noted with displeasure by the Supreme Court in its judgment. Stop. Para. The government, however, was dilly-dallying on the aspect of restoration of the earlier position consequent upon the merger of the two cadres. Stop. Ultimately, contempt proceedings were initiated by the disgruntled members of the BSES Bihar State Government Secondary School Teachers Association versus Ashok Kumar Sinha, wherein this court had the occasion to observe that the Bihar Education Service Rules 2014 were in the teeth of the judgment rendered on 23/11/2012.